Good day, this is my reaction video to the video I just watched, the Eileen Sarmienta and Alan Gomez murders. The episode tells one of the most horrifying crimes in the country's history, the 1993 abduction, rape, and murder of the University of the Philippines Los Baños students, Eileen Sarmienta and Alan Gomez. Watching this documentary was a painful experience. It was not just a story about two victims, but a mirror of how power, corruption, and cruelty can destroy innocent lives when justice is silenced by fear. To sum up the video, the documentary detailed how Eileen and Alan were abducted by men under Mayor Antonio Sanchez of Calauan, Laguna. Eileen was presented to the mayor as a gift, praise that sends chills down to my spine. The video described how both students were beaten, assaulted, and eventually killed in the most inhumane way. Despite the brutality, the case exposed the courage of witnesses and investigators who stood up against the powerful politician. Their testimony led to Sanchez's conviction in 1995, a rare victory for justice during that time. As a viewer, I felt deep anger, sadness, and disbelief. It's heartbreaking to imagine what Eileen and Alan went through. They were young, full of dreams, and had every right to live a normal life. Yet their lives were stolen by those who swore to serve and protect the people. The mayor, who was supposed to be a father figure to his town, became a very monster everyone feared. What struck me the most was how power was abused to its full extent. It made me think about the danger of blind loyalty and corruption in local politics, how some leaders believe they are untouchable. This case is a painful reminder that justice only works when people are brave enough to fight for it. Even against the powerful, I also admire that the families of the victim and the investigators refused to stay silent. Their perseverance becomes a symbol of hope in many Filipinos. Watching this video also reminds me that as a citizens, play a part in preventing such tragedies. We must demand integrity from our leaders and empathy in governance. Laws and institutions will always be tested, but the true strength of justice lies in people's courage to speak out. So in conclusion, the story of Eileen Sarmienta and Alan Gomez is not just a true crime episode. It's a national wound that continues to teach us about justice, accountability, and humanity. This documentary was more shocking. It's awakening. It made me realize how fragile and justice can be when power is abused. And in the end, may we never forget the Eileen and Alan. The story should continue to remind us that the real justice means protecting the powerless, not serving the powerful. Thank you.